What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Quick announcement before we start the video. If you want a chance to win a set of fuel wheels or a set of US mags, then stick around to the end of the video where I will fill you in on how to do it. We are edging closer and closer to 10,000 horsemen on the channel, and we wanted to do something special. But that's all I'm going to say for now. We will catch you at the end of the video. Enjoy the Swapmeet recap. The Pitbull is for sale. I've got several offers. They're not willing to meet halfway though, so I'm gonna have to respectfully decline.
YouTube already, huh?
Oh yeah.
Well, good morning, everybody. Let's get this party started. All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the annual Wild Horses Swapmeet. It's about 8 o'clock and the parking lot is packed full of good deals, lots of fun, lots of goodies. In today's video, we're gonna take you on a little treasure hunt if we have time to break from the madness. We've got a ton of crap that we have to sell. You guys all wanna sell your crap, but we'll see if we can show you some of the fun stuff that you can find out here at a swap meet. Some of the Bronco goodies. You Bronco purists, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll find some gold nuggets out here in the parking lot.
We sold the top within 5 minutes after we got here. $300.
We don't have to take it home.
We don't have to take it home.
We have to take it home.
Are you guys slinging parts or what?
We did. I've got about $80 in my pocket and I can't even see what I sold.
What's like the gold nugget in this setup?
My old tow bar. If I get $50 for that, I'd give them all the rest of the stuff to take with them. Because I don't want to take it home. As I take stuff off of that one, you know, put new parts on that or build new parts, like the old stuff goes here, right? And I can't throw it out. It's good stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean,
well,
that's tell my wife that it's still good stuff. Because to her, it's all junk, right?
Well, and I'm gonna be honest, with my 22-year-old mindset, I'm like, why do we have all of this stuff? You know, and then I just see, you know, people are looking for it. You know, someone out in the world is looking for this filler neck. You know what I mean? This is the John Link with Sybil. I don't even know what you call the Bronco now. At this point, it's just becoming a monster. The Rock Rat. There we go. Finally got a solid name. Couldn't have said that 3 years ago.
It's been Rock Rat forever.
You know, you didn't say that in the video.
Oh, okay.
The Rock Rat. What do we got? Is this Rock Rat memorabilia or
It's
what?
little miscellaneous leftovers from Rock Rat. Man, I thought I was going to have to bring my 1-ton long bed crew cab Chevy to bring everything down. Man, I've had a wicked day.
Yeah?
But I think
Everything's
it's
getting slung?
my stylish good looks, my wit, humor, and a Persian rug and
The
a
rug,
tablecloth cover.
yeah.
It's all good.
What kind of stuff do you got? What did you bring this
Well,
year?
I brought in seats. I sold those, a lot of different trinkets and so forth.
There you go. So you're leaving with a little less than you
Yes,
brought.
I am.
There you
So
go.
I can spend further down the road.
There you go. Smart man, smart man. Is this all from this build right here?
Yes.
You pulled it all off?
Yeah.
How long have you been working on it for?
My son and I did this about 8 years ago.
Wow. Do you take it off-road at all, or is it?
It's a trail rider.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Nice.
Not like you have.
I love the color. Well, I mean, mine just
We've
breaks down.
been watching you, so yeah,
Oh, yeah.
you get the use out of yours.
I get the use, I get the wrench on it, get some dirt under my fingernails.
Yeah.
And it's fun, you know,
Yeah.
I enjoy it. Even when it breaks down, it's like, oh,
Because this was a father and son project.
nice. Yeah, I think mine too. I built a lot of it, but if it weren't for my dad, you know,
Of course.
I probably wouldn't have been into this. You know? What's the story though behind this thing? Was it a fire and all that crazy
This
stuff?
was in the Paradise Fire,
Oh man.
and it was somebody's pride and joy, but now somebody else will get a frame and some running gear and get to start their project, Project Phoenix, because it's gonna rise from the ashes.
Let's just walk. We're gonna walk you
Good
through the
stuff.
stuff, the fun stuff you can find at a swap meet, all the wild horses junk that we have accumulated over the years. You've been accumulating this stuff for the past 30 years.
Did he say junk?
Come on, let's be honest. Expensive junk.
So what else do we have here? We've got, look
Wing
at this, look at
windows.
this.
Come here.
You never know what you're gonna find. Kind of 1966 liftgate, this is kind of stuff you can find here. The 66 dash over there. 366 dashes
This is
here.
stuff
Look
that
at
I
this,
don't even-
look at this. The 73 only integrated pointer shift collar. Couple Dana 44s laying around. Full-size Dana 44. Ooh, look at this. Now, if you know what that is, you can call me and buy it. If you don't know what it is, it doesn't matter.
What else? We've got a bunch of scratch and dent stuff. This is where we bring all that stuff out. You know, a lot of stuff that gets damaged in shipping and stuff. Small little dings and like stuff like that. I mean, a brand new grill, stuff that any type of body work.
Look at this. Look at this. So exciting. A narrowed rock crawler tub with a narrowed tailgate and a narrowed windshield frame and tubbed rear wheel housing.
$1,500.
$1,500. You know you need it. Get it. Spray it with bed liner. Bolt it on something. Run some 44s. Call it good. What else do we have, Mitch? Back to you.
What else? We got a puppy here. It's probably not for sale. This guy right here.
The STC, I just read on the Bronco forum that they're not making those. You can't get them anymore. So
Really?
it's
Is
the
it a
STC.
Rampage or a best top or just the
Desktop
color?
STC.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So, but then if it doesn't go here, it'll go online quickly.
What are you building?
70 Bronco Sport.
Is all of this off of it? Like all the replacement stuff that you've just done over the years?
Yeah. Sweet. Except for the F-250 parts.
Gotcha, yeah. You can throw
Yeah,
some of that
yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
Someone will, right?
Somebody will put a turbo on a Bronco one of these days, yeah.
It's always a goal. I've been telling people now,
Yeah.
like to leave with less than you came with.
Yeah, try and
Not leave with a little more money in your pocket.
Right,
So,
yeah.
Have you sold a lot?
Good. For yeah,
There we go.
made it worth coming down. Yeah.
Money's moving around.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Have you found any nuggets though? That's the question.
There is actually, my buddy actually found a Mustang EFI intake that I need the EGR valve off of, so I'm going to steal that from him. That's it.
I still haven't broken even. I haven't sold one part.
How about your pit bull? Is that for sale?
The pit bull is for sale. I've got several offers. They're not willing to meet halfway though, so I'm gonna have to respectfully decline.
Oh, he's selling the pit bull.
Alrighty guys, so there you have it. That is our annual swap meet. You never know what kind of stuff you can find at this event. Again, a lot of good stuff, a lot of rare stuff. If you're looking for that one little trinket that you can't find anywhere else, this is the place to come to seek it out. So it happens once a year. Stay tuned on all of our social medias where we blast it out and announce it. We had a lot of people out this year. It was a great turnout. Thank you everybody for coming. At this point, we're gonna chuck all this stuff back in the warehouse, let it collect webs and dust, and bring it out next year. So with that said, we hope to see you guys at the swap meet next year. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe already, because we do a lot more exciting stuff than a swap meet. We like to wheel, we like to take all this old stuff and see what it could do on a trail, you know, the usual stuff. So with all of that being said, we'll see you out there on the... But wait, there is in fact more. As promised, I'm here to fill you in on how you can win a set of wheels from a couple of the top wheel manufacturers in the world. We are only a couple hundred subscribers away from hitting the 10,000 subscriber milestone. And again, we wanted to do something special. We've been building this channel for a few years now, and we appreciate each and every one of you hopping on board, coming along for the ride, becoming one of the horsemen. We're super blessed to be able to share this passion of Broncos with you. So yeah, let's fill you guys in on how you can win a set of wheels. Before we do that, let me quickly explain the giveaway, and then I'll fill you in on how to enter. So, we partnered with Fuel Off-Road and US Mags to give away a set of 5 wheels to the winner of the 10,000 Horsemen giveaway. So once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we'll pick a winner and they will get to choose 5 US Mags or 5 Fuel wheels of their choice. The only rule is it has to be a cast non-beadlock wheel up to 17 inches. That said, it's time to reveal how to enter the giveaway. It's as simple as a few clicks. Click the link in the description and that will take you to the official giveaway page. Enter your name, enter your email, and boom, you are entered into the giveaway. Now, if you want a chance to boost your chances of winning a set of wheels, the confirmation page will have a few different options on how to do just that. So make sure you get as many entries in as possible. And if you're feeling nice, go ahead and share this with a friend, spread the love, and give everyone an opportunity to win a set of wheels. Now, one last thing we have to do is give a shout out to Fuel Off-Road and US Mags for supplying the wheels for this giveaway. We appreciate the partnership and hope that you guys show them some love. They have some of the best looking wheels in the industry. So even if you don't win the giveaway, make sure you check them out and see what options they have for your next project. But there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Once again, thank you so much for watching and for all of the love thus far. I say it a lot, but we are just getting started. The fun is just beginning. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you visit the link, enter the giveaway, share with a friend. And with all of that being said, we will see you out there on the trail. Peace!